Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the new building that went up by the Booth gas station in Drax Hall. Now the Booth, this is a second station that the Booth owners have. They have one in Ocherios and this one was recently opened in Drax Hall. And it has a supermarket in it, and this is actually the largest supermarket in Drax Hall so far. Now, Drax Hall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. It's not a town and it's not a city, but it's growing so fast that I'm sure it's going to be a matter of time before it becomes either a municipality or a city on its own. As it is now, it is the suburbs of St. Anne's Bay, which is the town and the capital of St. Anne. So this is the gas station and behind it is the supermarket. Now originally this structure we're looking at now was not here. This was built recently and it's probably still under construction with the stores setting up. Not sure if they're finished the interior of the stores, but we will check it out the next time we come through. So on the other side now, the ground floor is a supermarket and above it is a call center. Now Drax Hall, I think, caught a lot of people off guard. The rapid growth of Drax Hall. But this gas station was one of the first to move in since the rapid expansion started. There was one across the road that was here before Drax Hall got so developed. So what happened is a development was built. I'm going to give you a little history now. A development was built in Richmond called Richmond Estate. The nicest development you will find in Jamaica and probably the Caribbean. Very nice. No, and it did extremely well. It sold out extremely well. So the developers in Drax Hall now said, well, let's use the Richmond model since it was so successful and build in Drax Hall. So Drax Hall is based off that model and it did extremely well. It's not at the level of Richmond yet. Nowhere in Jamaica is, but it's very close. And these developments in Drax Hall became a huge success. But there was a lot more land in Drax Hall available. So a lot more developments went up. Drax Hall has far more homes than Richmond now and more on the way. So even this area that you're looking at now, and to the left up on the hills, to the right heading down to the beach, if they aren't building there or if they haven't built developments yet, they are on the way. So you got thousands of homes being built in Drax Hall. Thousands, and they're perfect for Airbnb and people living and working in the area and people who just wanted a weekend home. Because you can access Drax Hall by two major highways. If you're coming from Ocherios, if you're coming from Montego Bay, you can take the Northern Coastal Highway. Get here in no time. If you're coming from Kingston, you can take the North-South Highway, a toll road. Get here in no time, in record time actually. So Drax Hall is ideally located where these two highways intersect. And the majority of the houses that were sold in Drax Hall were sold to people in the diaspora. So you had all of these houses, and that's how it became the fastest growing community in Jamaica now. And then the residential developments just weren't there. So you have Plaza, about 20 plazas under construction. Maybe some are finished and opened. On the way now. The Booth one, it expanded to put on the new stores, and you have one where the KFC is, and that entire strip where KFC is, the KFC Plaza, they're building numerous plazas there. And every major retail outlet or retail store, fast food store in Jamaica wants a location in Drax Hall. That's how fast the area is growing. So as they build these plazas, they are rented out. Nuts Food Express actually moved their main depot from Ocherios to Drax Hall. Courts moved their store from St. Anne's Bay to Drax Hall. Uncorked is opening up a store in Drax Hall. Starbucks is here. Pizza Hut, Sakura, Express Fitness, Juicy Patties is opening up a store. No, I'm not sure about that one, but a lot of stores. There's another chicken place. What was the name of that place? They have a store in Ocherius and on Red Hills Road. They're opening up a store here, so it's doing extremely well. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these developments as they are happening. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.